Hi, fourth grade. Mrs. Vincent here again. Today you're going to be taking the STAR reading test, and you've taken this before in years past, so you're familiar with it, but some reminders that I want you to keep in mind. Do your best. The STAR reading test is how I will determine what skills you need to keep working on a little bit more and what skills you're really, really good at already. So make sure you do your best. Parents, do not help. As hard as it is, I'll have kids in class ask me, what's this word? Don't tell them, okay? This assessment really does determine what skills I will work on. So, just remind them, do your best. You can do it. Just put what you think. Kids, I'm just telling you, you should get about half the questions right and half the questions wrong. Because as you work, the program's designed to get a little bit harder each question, and then it might give you a little easier one, and then it gets a little bit harder each question. So don't get frustrated. Just do your best and know that, hey, she said I'm supposed to get like half of these right and half of these wrong. And no worries. It's not a grade. It's really just for me to tell, what do you already know? Okay, and then I can plan our lessons accordingly. So do your best. No help from anybody. Let me show you how to get there, okay? So we're going to go to Google, and we're going to go into our classroom. Okay. From here, choose fourth grade. You probably notice there's a band one on yours too. Okay. We're going to go into classwork. Remember to always go into classwork to find your assignments. Don't work in the stream. Work on classwork. Welcome to fourth grade website. We're going to go there. And we're going to open up our class website. Under links, you're going to find the AR link because the STAR reading test is actually within AR. And once you get here to the AR screen, remember to use your password sheet to log in as a student. Okay, so from here, you're going to log in as you. Okay, once you get here, put in your information. I'm going to use Alex as a guinea pig here, just to show you what it's going to look like. And then you're going to choose STAR Reading. Okay, once you click that, you'll start your test. Make sure, like I said, do your best. Don't ask anyone for any help. And I'm really excited to see how great you do. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.